welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, thank you for coming. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you're a subby, welcome back. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So today's video is a little bit different. It's gonna be a room tour. I asked you guys on Instagram if you would like to see a tour of my cute little campus room, and some of you guys replied and said yes, so I decided to do that today. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go back to the door and show you guys what my room looks like from the front door. So this is my front door, and I have a little screw that I put right on the door, and I have my everyday bag here, just so when I'm going out I just pick up my bag. I'm like, yeah, I'm ready to go. And on this side of the wall I have a hanger thingy that I bought from IKEA, and I just put my car key, my belt, which is probably not right. I put it there, and on the board I have do you guys see this? I have pictures of things that I don't want to forget that we went over previously in class. This is a picture of the heart, and this is how heart failure and hypo and hypertension works basically. So I just put that on here, and on the floor I have a bin that, guys, it's always filled up, but for the purpose of this video I took it out. So you have a bin that I put anything that I use in this room inside of it. And this side of the room is where all the magics happen. And first off, let's talk about the color of my wall. Okay, I love white. I consider myself to be a minimalist when it comes to room decor. I love white. I have a lot of white, a lot of wood color, gray, and I put in a little bit of almost all the colors, but you wouldn't notice. I have pink, I have blue, I have red clutch, I have green clutch. I make sure I put all bright colors, but just in little ways. And everything I'm gonna talk about in this video will be listed in the description box below, so if you want to check it out, go ahead and check it out. But heads up, I got everything almost from IKEA. So yeah, let's just get started with this side of the room. So this is my bed where the magic happens, and I love pillows. I love pillows. I have 4 pillows. I have a little heart-shaped throw pillow that I just like to cuddle pillows because why not? Nothing school is so stressful that sometimes you just need to cuddle something. I have this, and my bed frame is from IKEA. It's white and wood, and this actually opens up, so I have my jean inside of here. I have my panties, my pants, my underwear in here. So this is my bed, and yeah, and my mattress stays from IKEA. I'm gonna put everything in the description box. My pillows too from IKEA, but this is from, I believe, a place they call is this Ross? I can't remember, but I'm gonna put it in the description box below. And also my comforter is gray. You guys already know that. I love it. This comforter is the best that can happen to anybody. Trust me, it's so warm and cozy. And there goes my laptop. So on the side of the bed I have a side table, white and wood color, and on top of it I have plants. I meant to say, I love plants a lot. Like in my whole apartment I basically have plants everywhere, but because this is small I try to incorporate a little bit of plant as well. So, and it's so coincidental, guys, this also has white, and the base is white and wood, so I just have it on top of my side table here. So on the wall right above my headboard I have a picture frame that has a lot of love in it. You're loved. Love. I mean, we need love in this world, don't we? And to think about how stressful my program is, yes, I need a lot of love. So this is a picture frame. I'm still gonna print out more pictures and just add it, but this is what I have right now. On this side of the wall I have a frame. I honestly don't know what this is, but I like the color. I don't know what this represents, but this looks like what? Let's see. What is that? I don't know.
Just painting.
Just painting, right?
Yeah.
And I just like the color, basically. I felt like it would work well with my wall and every other thing I have in this room. So that's why I have that. And that's it for this side of the room. Let's move to the interesting part. This is one of my favorite parts. Actually, I hate to love this place because, I study here, and I also put on this flaky makeup here. So it's a 8 love relationship that I have with this place. So right here I have a 2 Alex drawer that I got from IKEA, and this whatever that stands on top of it too from IKEA, and this is my vanity mirror. Don't worry guys, everything in this room will be listed in the will be listed in the description box below. So this is my vanity mirror, and I also have my small little makeup what do you call this again?
Makeup organizer?
Oh yeah, a makeup organizer that I have my everyday makeup. I don't, guys, I really don't make up every day to school, but this is where I have the things that I use most. And yeah, and right here I have another brush organizer with pearl inside of it. I just put in my the brush that I use so almost that I use every day for my makeup. Right on top of my vanity, I have my Bose speaker. I have this little cup that I put my
one pencil, one pen.
Shut up. This is the actually I have more. I guess I don't know. I have more. I said it, guys. I have more. I put my pencil, my pen, everything, and my pins inside of it. And right here I have a plant that actually this broke. It used to be like covered, and so I just broke it. I mean, a part of it broke, and I broke everything else. And I think that's it for this table. This is my Apple Watch, and right here I have the word map. Because when I'm studying and I start feeling down, I just tell myself, Shiga, look at this. You travel the world so one day. But this is what you have to do to travel the world. Study, 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 study. And on the other side of my vanity, my mirror. Then, pum, 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 pum. Yeah, this mirror too is from IKEA. The link will be in the description box below. And yeah, I think that's it for the old vanity. And if you guys want me to show you what's inside of here, I can do that in a separate video with what's in my wardrobe. So let's move right along to this funny place. I'm not supposed to show you this, but I just want to tell you how stressful my life is. See, this is my calendar and it's filled up, guys. I didn't fill it all up because I don't want to get overwhelmed, but it's so funny that I have to hang it on my what is this called again?
Blind.
My blind, because when I'm studying I just want to look up and be like, Sugar, are you doing the right thing today? What do you have to do tomorrow? So right, I just hung it right on my blind. And yeah, so on this side of the room we have my little, this is supposed to be a bookshelf, but guess what, I improvised because this room is small and I wanted to have my, you know, my essentials, like the purses that I like, the shoes that I like, and you know, a little bit of bookend, a little of, you know, everything here and there. So I decided to put a little bit of shoes, a little bit of purse and bag. And so I got this from IKEA too. I just put on my navy, what do you call it? My navy cap. We call it something. Well, yeah, I just put my cap here and some of my books on here. And yeah, that's it about it on this side. What else? So guys, I have this very comfy chair that I also got from IKEA. Guys, look at the color. It's gray, of course. And guys, it is the most comfy chair ever. Comfy more than the one we have in my school. I swear to God. I love it, guys. And it's like you can just move around when you're tired of life, tired of studying, and look at whatever. I just love it. Yeah, this is from IKEA. I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it, aside from this part of the room. And guys, what do you think it's here? This is my wardrobe, guys. So when I got this apartment, and this apartment didn't come with a wardrobe door, and I knew that they wouldn't put it, because if you can list out an apartment without a door, when are you gonna put a door on? So I improvised with a curtain rod, and I put a gray curtain because why not? Gray is the color, right? And I have my whole plant from Houston here as well, because this place was looking a little bit boring. I had to zhuzh it up with a plant. And I also have this board, right? that I have word from Jesus on. I said when anxiety, thought, or fear of failure treasures my, just read it, take a read at this. So yeah, this is my old room. I'm not sure if I get to everything in my room. I think I didn't get to this rug, but this is a rug that I also got from this one is from TJ Maxx, and it's gray, of course, because I wanted something different from the old carpet on here. So yeah, yes guys, that's pretty much everything in this room. I hope you all enjoyed this. little room tour. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Why is it so hard to get to 1,000 subscribers? So if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and I will see you guys next time. My life as sugar. Peace.